Section 12 of Stops, or How to Punctuate, a practical handbook for writers and students. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Clarica
and Sarah Jennings.
Stops, or How to Punctuate by Paul Allardyce. Section 12, the hyphen. Rule 66. The hyphen is used between the component parts of some compound words.
Paper knife, bookkeeping, coal pit, water carrier, printing press, sea water, man of war, man-of-war. Nowadays, now-a-days. High art decoration, high-art decoration. Good looking.
There is no rule to distinguish the compound words that take a hyphen from those that do not. If one be in doubt about a particular word, the best thing to do is to refer to a dictionary. Rule 67. When one syllable of a word ends with a vowel, and the next syllable begins with the same vowel, the hyphen is placed between the syllables to indicate that the two vowels do not form a diphthong, that is, that they should not be pronounced together.
Example 1. Co-operative, co-ordinate, pre-eminently, re-establish, re-echo.
In the same way, the hyphen sometimes ensures that two consonants shall be pronounced separately, as in bookkeeping, shell-less, cock-crow, sword dance. Rule 68. As a rule, a hyphen should not be placed after a simple prefix. Contravene, preternatural, hypercritical, bilateral. To this there are some exceptions. Subpart A. Anti-religious, ultra-liberal, semi-lunar, co-eval. In these words the pronunciation is more clearly marked by inserting the hyphen. Compare antiseptic, antinomian, ultramontane, semicircle. Perhaps among these exceptions should also be included such words as pseudocritic, non-ego, non-existent. Compare pseudonym, where the prefix is contracted, and nonentity. Words like preeminent, divided for the same reason, have already been noted. Subpart B. Recreation, remark. The hyphen distinguishes the etymological meaning of these words as distinguished from their derived and ordinary meaning. Subpart C. Pre-Norman, anti-Darwinian, Philo-Turk. If the capital letter be retained where a prefix is put to a proper name, the hyphen is obviously necessary. Rule 69. When a number is written in words and not in figures, the words making up the number, if there be more words than one, are in certain cases separated from each other by the hyphen. The numbers to which this rule applies are the cardinal and the ordinal numbers from 21 and 21st to 99 and 99th inclusive. The hyphen is used also when the words are inverted, as 4 and 30, 6 and 40th. Rule 70. Fractional parts written in words are separated in the same way, a hyphen being placed between the numerator and denominator, as 2/3, 3/16. But if the word part or the word share follows, the hyphen is not used, as 2/3 parts. Rule 71. Several words may be joined by hyphens in order to indicate that they are to be read together.
Example 1. The I believe of Eastern derivation, monosyllable Bosch. Example 2. Additional restrictions were advocated in the cases of mothers of young children employed in factories.
As this last sentence stands, the hyphen is really the only means of making it perfectly clear that those who are referred to as employed in factories are the mothers, not the children. Hyphens are sometimes used in cases like the following: a never to be forgotten event, peace at any rate principles. They are almost invariably used in well-to-do, alack-a-day. Rule 72. The prefix a before the gerund is followed by a hyphen.
Example 1. They went a-hunting. Example 2. I lay a-thinking.
Note that a-going is not divided. Rule 73. When a word is divided at the end of a line, part of the word being in the next line, a hyphen is placed after the part at the end of the line. So far as rules can be given for the division of the word, it may be said: Subpart A. The division must be at the end of a syllable. The syllable according to etymological derivation and the syllable according to pronunciation are not always the same. In the case of conflict, the pronunciation is to be the guide. Subpart B. The part in the next line should, if possible, begin with a consonant. An examination of a number of words will show that this is only another way of saying that we should be guided by pronunciation. Subpart C. Double letters are divided, as attract, profession, difficulty. The following examples are given consecutively from a book taken at random. This seems to be the best way of illustrating the rule.
Example 1. Confidently. Investigated. Something. Institution. Difficulty. Attractions. Exclusively. Kinsmen. Self-organized. Entangled. Collective. Intermission. Materials. Chancellor. College. Industrious. Subject. History. Condition. Lowlanders. Organization. Recognized. Infamous.
Some selected examples may also be given.
Example 2. Resemblance. Humble. Second. Translator. Justifiable. Eastern. Endeavor.
End of section 12, the hyphen.